Welcome to our exploration of the size range theorem, a groundbreaking concept that redefines our understanding of the universe. We'll delve into how size, scale, and opposition shape reality, offering new insights into science and philosophy. The size range theorem introduces the idea of antidistinction, a concept that challenges traditional views by suggesting a unified reality beyond representation. This paradigm shift reshapes how we perceive the universe's structure and our place within it. In this theory, size and scale are infinite, stretching from the smallest atoms to vast galaxies. This infinite range is fundamental to understanding the universe, highlighting the interconnectedness of energy, mass, and space-time. The theorem suggests that beneath all distinctions lies a unified reality termed antidistinction. This challenges conventional frameworks, proposing that the core of reality eludes complete representation, offering a new perspective on existence. Albert's theory introduces a universal diagram that visually represents the interconnectedness of time, energy, and objects. This illustration helps explain complex concepts in a simple way, making them accessible to all ages. The size range theorem marks a shift from traditional paradigms, where space and time were separate dimensions. It presents a unified view of reality, transcending distinctions between energy, mass, and space-time. In classical physics, mass and energy were distinct entities. The size range theorem unifies these concepts, suggesting a continuum that opens new ways of thinking about the universe and its fundamental laws. The theorem highlights the limits of human cognition, which operates on distinctions. It suggests that our understanding is limited by our ability to comprehend the unseen antidistinction, offering a new dimension to scientific inquiry. The infinite scale of reality, as proposed by the theorem, connects the smallest quantum scales with the vastness of the cosmos. This concept challenges traditional scientific methods and encourages a broader exploration of the universe. The size range theorem has significant scientific implications, offering new insights into cosmology and quantum mechanics. It potentially provides a framework for unifying general relativity and quantum mechanics, advancing our understanding of the universe. Philosophically, the theorem challenges traditional categories of existence and knowledge. It introduces discussions on perception and cognition, reshaping how we understand the relationship between thought and reality. Technologically, the theorem could inspire advancements in quantum computing, space exploration, and design. Its implications extend beyond theoretical physics, influencing practical applications in various fields. Without the size range theorem, science would remain compartmentalized, with strict boundaries between disciplines. The concept of an infinite size scale and the interplay between distinction and antidistinction would be absent. Einstein's E equals mc squared and general relativity provide profound insights into the cosmos. However, without the theorem, the connection between these principles and metaphysical concepts would remain unexplored, maintaining a divide between philosophy and physics. Quantum mechanics challenges classical ideas of reality but lacks a framework tying it to cosmology. The theorem's infinite scale connects these realms, offering a coherent view of the universe from the subatomic to the cosmic. Cosmology explores the universe's vastness, but without the theorem lacks a strong framework connecting different size scales. The idea of infinite size, fundamental to understanding reality, would not be prominent. The philosophy of science often separates empirical science from philosophical questions. Without the theorem, the interplay between observable phenomena and the limits of representation would not challenge existing scientific methods. Infinity is a mathematical abstraction, but the theorem suggests it's fundamental to understanding size and scale. Without it, the notion that infinity governs the entire range of size would remain unexplored. Evolutionary psychology focuses on finite, observable traits. The theorem suggests cognition exists within an infinite scale, offering a new dimension to understanding human thought and its relationship to the universe. The size range theorem proposes that cognition isn't just about biological adaptation, but about existing within an infinite scale of reality. This perspective could transform our understanding of human thought evolution. Without the theorem, science would continue to explore traditional lines like string theory, lacking a unifying concept of size and scale. The infinite nature of reality would remain a gap in the conceptual foundation of physics. The theorem's absence would leave the scientific landscape operating within established frameworks with unexplored aspects of reality. Its contributions offer a broader, unified view of the universe and our place within it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the size range theorem. We hope this exploration has inspired new ways of thinking about the universe and the infinite possibilities it holds. More on sizerange.com.